Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix alarm no sound on X70 version. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, you will see alarm volume is here. If you want to fix this problem, so turn on alarm volume. So increase alarm volume and turn off silent mode. After turn off silent mode, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and click on see all apps and search clock app, and after click on clock app, click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so go to app library, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system, and you will see, go back and check your software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix alarm no sound on Edge 70 version. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.